Hi, today we'll be showing you how to make Karahi beef. So we'll start off first with half a cup of oil. We are using canola oil. Stove is on a high setting. And then we will be adding onions. We'll be adding about a bowl full of onions. And we basically want to make sure we stir this all until the onions become a golden brown color. So this might take a few minutes to do, so we'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's ready. So this is what the onions will look like when they're becoming crispy brown. This is what you should be looking for, kind of a caramelized look to it. And at this point now we can start to add our ingredients. We will be adding in 1 teaspoonful of ginger paste, which is simply ginger blended in water. 1 teaspoonful of garlic paste, similarly garlic blended in water. 1 teaspoonful of green chilies, which is green chilies blended in water, and 1 teaspoonful of salt. And next we're going to be adding in a handful of whole tomatoes, as you can see right here. So we will add that to the mix. So this is our mixture after a couple minutes time, and now what we will be adding is a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, a full teaspoon of dhania powder, which you can find at your local Indian supermarket, 1 teaspoonful of dana jeera, all of these you can find at your Indian supermarket, and 1 teaspoonful of jeera powder. We will be adding a tablespoon full of tomato paste and a full cup of coriander leaves. And we will be letting this cook for about 15 minutes. So we'll show you what this looks like after 15 minutes time. Welcome back. So here's what this looks like after we've let it cook for about 15 minutes. As you can see, it's become somewhat of a consistent curry mix. And now we'll be adding the meat, which is, we have about 2 pounds of beef with the bone, and we're going to be adding this inside. We'll follow that up by adding about a quarter teaspoon of meat tenderizer to make the meat a little softer and less chewy. And now we will cover the top. We'll make sure to stir everything first, and once we're done that, we'll cover the top with a pot and let it cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. So this is what it looks like after we've let it cook for about 45 to 50 minutes. Now we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of yogurt, just plain yogurt, half a freshly squeezed lemon, and 1 tablespoon of butter. And we'll mix this all up and we'll let this cook for another 15 more minutes. So this is what the final product looks like. As you can see, it looks absolutely delicious. And you can have this, you can serve this with rice or naan, and it will go really well. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Try this recipe out for yourself and let us know how it goes. And if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications. We'll see you next time.